y'all, and welcome to Fitness with Meg. We are back with another yoga block workout video, and today we're going to be stretching. We're going to be standing the entire time, so if y'all are ready, grab your yoga blocks and let's begin. Okay, let's go ahead and grab our yoga block here. We are going to begin with a forward fold, so let's go ahead and forward fold down. Bring your yoga block here. So we're going to hold the stretch for 1 minute. So this is great for those of y'all whose hands can't reach all the way down onto the ground. So you can have your yoga block like this here resting, or here, or all the way down on the ground. If you are more advanced, you can have your head resting on the yoga block as well. So whatever stage you are on your flexibility journey, you're more than welcome to use the yoga block however you guys want. And of course, if you need to bend your knees a little, you can as well. Whatever works best for y'all. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, rolling it on up. So now we're going to bring our feet hip width apart here. Bring your left foot facing out to the side now. And we're going to be doing the triangle stretch. So you can grab your yoga block here, and coming down to your left side here, you're going to have your left hand down and your right hand up to the sky. So once again, you can have your yoga block however you want, up here, on the side, whatever works best for y'all. And 1. Okay, rolling up. Bring your feet facing forward. And now we're going to turn our right toes out to the side. And we're going to do that triangle stretch on our right side here. So coming down to your right side. Lift that left arm up in the air. So don't forget, you can have your yoga block whatever way you need to be. And if you have 2 yoga blocks, you can always stack these as well. So as many yoga blocks as you need. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now keeping your feet hip width apart here, we're going to be doing the straddle stretch. So grab your yoga block, and we are going to come down, and we're going to fold down to our left foot here. So you can have your yoga block however you need to, just whatever works best for you. We're going to hold this for 1 minute here. So this really is going to stretch our hammies here. Once again, if you need to stack your yoga blocks, you can do that as well. block to the diagonal here of your left foot here. I'm just gonna let it hang here, really feeling this in your left hamstring. Okay, now we're going to take it down to the middle here. So bringing that yoga block down to the center. If you're more advanced and your hands already go here, you can try and aim to put your forearms here on the yoga block, even your head. Whatever level of flexibility you are at. Okay, now we are going to bring it to our right diagonal here. So having that yoga block here. Not coming all the way down to our foot just yet. Keeping it here at that diagonal. Okay, and our last move here, we are going to be taking it to our right foot here. So bringing that yoga block here, working on our right hamstring. Okay, congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of y'all. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And I hope that all of y'all are feeling more stretched. I hope your muscles are warm and loose and that y'all are ready for whatever you have planned for the rest of your day. And I'll look forward to seeing y'all on Friday. Bye.